spot. Let's set one. Ready? Okay, what's going on, everybody? SRT8 Boost out for another ride or drive. I was going to do 360 today, but unfortunately my battery kind of shit the bed, so shit happens. Anyway, we're going to do POV today. Why not? Haven't done one of these in a while, like proper view anyway. Jesus. Anywho, so I thought I'd go for a rip where there's obviously no friggin' traffic, because yeah, you go south and you're smothered. You're smothered with traffic. So let's not do that. Anyway, if you're new to the channel, give a like and welcome. I'll give a like if you want. It's up to you. Nice bike. Beautiful Sunday afternoon. Temperature's like roughly, we're gonna say maybe 24 Celsius. So optimal, really nice turbo weather anyway. Here, it's my spot. Let's set one. Ready? Okay, let's slow that down a little. And welcome to the show, friends. Jesus, that got up there quick. So we're gonna go through a little town called King City. It's a cool little town. I've been through here lots of times with you guys. And then let's see how far we can get. Might have to make this a two-parter. Building a new parking station there. Took a couple of my Ducati videos in the above ground parking, we're gonna call it, not not underground, even though it feels like you're underground, but either way, still cool. been there before. Man, oh man, these speed cameras, they're freaking popping up everywhere. Oh, they're coming soon, coming soon, coming soon. Look at that. Fuck's sakes. Well, first of all, you're an ass jacket if you want to speed in front of a school, number one. Number two, they're ass jackets for assuming that everybody's going to do that. Not to mention those, like I've said in previous videos, it's like those friggin' copy was eyeing me down there. Anyways, those cameras literally ruin people's lives. That's okay. The minute that thing goes up, it's going to be smashed down or God only knows what. I already know. That's like the one in my neighborhood. It's actually hilarious. Alright. Nobody wants to sit at a red. Be right back. Okay, and we're back. Oh, here we go. This guy was like in a big rush. He couldn't let me in. Big rush to go nowhere. Like, you got all that wide open road over there. Just, buddy, let it rip, man, a little bit. Live a little. Jesus. The guy in the orange car's got it. He was at the light with us. Well, that ends well. I got an open lane at the light. How nice is that? Alright, this is probably going to be another half-hour late. Oh, good. Drive through some construction. Perfect car to do it with. Got some zigzaggy shit going on. Oh, big bumps. All right. Oh, this must be fun over here when it's rush hour. Yeah, know what that feels like. What it's worth, these townhouses are actually pretty damn nice. Looks good. Yeah, you know what? This is perfect weather. You can like have the windows up, like somewhat, and like I'm still cool. And this car's like full black interior, as you can see. And man, when it's sunny and hot outside, oh, it is like, my God. Same with my truck. It's like inferno. Let's go this way. I haven't been down this street in a really long time. It's cool. It takes you to, this is Oak Ridges, so this takes you to Lake Wilcox. Which is that away. Yeah, it's like a little beach town in here. It's actually pretty cool. Favorite. Not a speed bump, but a speed hump. I mean, I guess they are, if they're lengthened properly, it's not too bad. It's the ones that are short and they just scrape everything under your car. Like my charge pipe, you know, obviously we had to run it a little bit lower, right? And that's like the first thing literally to hit everything. So, you know, if I could avoid that, that would be very nice. So that's why when they're lengthened, it's not bad, because the whole wheelbase basically gets up versus only half of it, and then you hear scrape. I mean, it's a stainless steel pipe, whatever, right? The surgical steel. Or aircraft grade, that's the one, not surgical. So, it's pretty strong. Jesus, that guy had more tape on his arms than I did on my old hockey stick. I don't know, I don't understand the concept of that. I don't really know how a surface mounted object like tape could help you with your muscles. Not quite sure how that works. Nope, I got here first. And we can cut across here. Kind of hoping that this would have been an empty road, but it's not. There's a lot of lakes in this area. Lake St. George, so that's over there apparently. Who knew? It's funny, you don't know all these things until you actually like take a drive out here, if you even catch the sign. and B through C actually like look on a map. Like topographical. And you're actually looking for those things. Otherwise, you're gonna blow right by it. Most people don't look for that, right? So. Which I understand, because like, I mean, why would you be looking for ponds or lakes or whatever unless you're going fishing or yeah, then I get it. Oh my god, fucking drive the car, my god, ridiculous. What are we at, Leslie? Leslie. Alright, anybody coming? Poke out? Yeah, we're good. That's a big cemetery. Oh, look at this big turn. Well, who knew? Oh, look at this shit. Alright, well, I'm gonna have to come back here with the bike, make Mr. Hyper Motard King happy. I mean, I guess you could call that kind of a twisty. Again, it goes back to that conversation where there really isn't any around here. No driving God knows how far away. Without a highway, that is. You know, it's different. It's different if you're taking the highway somewhere and, you know, you're there in like 20 minutes. That's okay. I don't mind that. But like you're taking side roads and the speed limits are really low. What should be 20 is now, you know, 45 to an hour. You know, an hour there, hours back, that's it, right? That's your ride. Especially on that Ducati, man. Alright. Yeah, let's do it. Okay, that was a little curvy. Anyway guys, I'm gonna end this video. Stay tuned for part 2. I'm going on the highway. See who we're gonna run into. It's gonna be fun. Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Ciao for now.